everyone. Today I got Blippi. There's a lot of things. This is a police for Blippi, but that's for the police. And when Blippi is launched, it's gone like this. You see? And I take a photo of Blippi glass. Let's get started.
Okay, so AJ, let me see. Can you bring it up? Okay, stop right there. Okay, so move your hand down a little bit. Oh, bring it back down a little bit. You know what? Let me just fix it. Okay, so the yellow is the badge and it has a magnifying glass and there's a camera to take photos of the evidence. So AJ, can you say evidence? Evidence. 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 Okay. So this is a what, AJ? This is Detective Blippi. Thank you. Who gave this to you? Who bought it for you? Auntie.
Auntie Gillen.
Auntie Naromi bought it for you. So thank you, Auntie Naromi.
Thank you, Auntie Naromi.
And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. So without further ado, let's get started. You ready to open it, AJ?
Yes!
Okay.
Oh.
Open it.
Yeah, it's very hot. The white is very hot. Super.
Wait, before you open it, can you come here and take a photo?
Yes.
Scoot back a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Lovely smile, AJ. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Wait, Titi. Titi's being my helper right now. She's helping me do the camera. Okay, go ahead, open it.
Okay. The white is very fun now. Red is super hot. See, this is very super.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can open these. Okay, you gotta use all your force, okay? There's still tape on here, AJ. Remember I told you? Make sure there's some more tape. They like take this thing down. Go back. That's the reason.
No.
AJ, don't do that. Go back. Oh, be gentle with the microphone. AJ, we're gonna be reading to our viewers pretty soon. Okay, thank you, Titi. Go back.
Wow, this is for me. Awesome.
What's that? Let me see. That's called the magnifying glass.
Yeah. What you're looking for.
Are you gonna search what you're looking for?
Yeah, like this. When the police found something.
The detective finds something?
Yeah.
Oh, it's for pretend play?
Yeah.
And here's the badge.
Yeah. That's the badge.
Let me see if I can focus. You wanna hold this? Titi, I already know what you're gonna try to do. Wait, let them see the badge. See? See, you gotta be nice, okay? They wanna see it too. Okay. Wait. Kale Titi. Yeah.
Smile.
Okay, that's the closest we're gonna get.
Left.
She just snatched it.
See?
Okay, so, and there's something else in there, AJ.
Yeah, this is. Yeah.
This is a big box.
I can look at it. It's gotta be tiny.
Okay, let me see. Let me see, AJ. Right here.
Yeah, you can use this.
Oh, okay, give me the scissors.
Mommy!
Yes, AJ.
Thank you!
Yeah, the scissors. There's a big box. Let me see. Let me see the big box. What's in the big box?
Just a looking at.
Let me see. Bring it here. It's probably going to give us instructions because on the back of this, it says it's more, let's see if I can get this to focus. Solve the mystery of the missing lunch. Let's solve the case. See more at youtube.com/Blippi. For more info, visit blippi.jazzwares.com. So we might just do that.
Yeah.
Let me see the box. Okay, just like the little crayon box, it have his bow on top. What's this? And then it literally has this. So what I might do, I might just make this into a part 2. Take the evidence to the police station. And then... Oh, it's nice. Connect the dots. Oh, that's page 7. So let me guess. What's page 2? It has the pages on the bottom. Okay, so this is page 2. Find the police officer. Page 3 is write your name. This is 4. Find the clues. Find the clues. And 5 is this. Draw the clues that you find. 6 is okay, and that's the first one that you've seen. This is 7. Connect the dots. 8 is connect the prints. 9 is a checklist.
Auntie.
And then this is 10. Connect the dots to see who did it. So thank you for watching. Au revoir, AJ. So I will do a part 2 to this.